Hi, I'm Chef Phil, and I'm the executive chef of Pied à Terre restaurant. Today we're making our beautiful lion's mane mushroom dish with barley chips, lovely sea herbs, and a Madeira cream sauce. It's a beautiful mushroom with great neurological, gut health, and great benefits from Chinese kind of medicine throughout the years. But basically it tastes really, really good. And we like to celebrate the mushroom in all different forms. So we have a mushroom porridge that's made with the mushroom stock of all the trimmings. We're gonna tempura some of the mushroom. We're gonna roast some of the mushroom on the barbecue. We're gonna pickle some of the mushroom. We're gonna shave some of the mushroom. Basically, we're just gonna celebrate the mushroom and then round it off with some beautiful sea herbs and some seaweed oil. Finished just with a nice Madeira foam. So this is a garlic tempura because we like to marry the flavors that work really well together. Garlic loves mushrooms, garlic loves smoke, you know, everything kind of all goes together. And this will just encase the mushroom so it will steam inside beautifully, and outside will have that little really crispy garlic flavor. I'm gonna take these guys, give them a little bath. And then now I'm gonna season them, so I'm gonna dust them in a little set powder. So it's a dried mushroom, so it's really zero waste. So we take all of our mushroom trimmings, we dehydrate them and blend them into a powder to reinforce the flavor on the outside of the batter. So first we go down with a lovely barley risotto with pine nuts. We cook that in a mushroom stock that is made from all the mushroom trimmings of the restaurant, and a little bit of white soy and a little bit of shiitake just inside there to give a nice umami richness. Brilliant. So now we dress the risotto with our lovely tempuraed mushroom, just dust in a little bit of dried mushroom powder, the roasted mushroom, and the pickled mushroom. And we repeat that process so we can add different textures and different flavors of the same ingredient and make sure we're really celebrating it and making it the star of the dish. After that, as we have barley at the bottom in a really soft form, we take barley, cook it down really low, dehydrate it, and put it into a crisp. So then we have different textures of the same kind of flavors, just reimbursing that flavor and that texture of the barley, the mushroom, absolutely everything. With our mushroom trimmings, we have a powder that we've made, and we're just gonna dust that over some raw mushrooms to give, again, another level to the flavors of mushroom. Personally, I don't really enjoy herbs that don't taste of anything or anything that's just for the looks. So the herbs that we use on this dish are forage sea herbs that actually our fish supplier goes down by the coast and picks for us. So we've got some lovely sea purslane here, some amazing salty fingers, which when you bite into just give a burst of seawater flavor and really can round off the dish and help with our seasoning. And then some rock samphire. The herbs on my menu, especially the sea herbs and forage ones, will change as the season do, just because we really want to be respectful of our environment and really showcase seasonal produce in its like cleanest, most beautiful form, you know. So please always expect in the restaurant that you're going to see changes weekly because the seasons tell me how to cook. I can't tell them. Then we have a lovely seaweed oil that we just finished, again to reimburse that saltiness flavor. Then we make a beautiful Madeira cream, which is to say, I want to be zero waste. I don't like things hitting the bin. So we take all of those mushroom trimmings. Some we take and make the powder, which is just dusted on top of the mushrooms. Some we make the base of the sauce, which is shallots, Madeira. We have a beautiful vegan cream, a little bit of oat milk in there. And then that brings everything together with this sweet, succulent sauce that kind of just aerates and shares those flavors. And that's it.